Welcome to the ESL in Canada directory. On our directory we have information for international English language students. We have information on Canada schools, Canada programs, Canada lessons. We have programs for English students, ESL students, high school students, college students, and those who wish to go to university. We have information on homestay, activities, and events. You can find other things to do on the ESL in Canada TLC Network Club. This club helps students get visas and internships, and we have language exchanges. And for those of you who want to do some challenges, we have the Sentence Master Challenges. These are free English writing sentence contests. Come and see us. www.eslincanada.com